Hello everyone, this is me, James Anderson. I am the Microsoft Student Partner for the University of Pittsburgh, and today I'm going to be talking about 7 Windows 7 tips and tricks for you to use. So, first thing here that I liked about Windows 7 is the new Taskbar, so you can easily move items around on it, see what programs you have open. You can also pin programs to the taskbar, and to do this you just right click on the program and say pin it to the taskbar, and what that does, you'll notice how Outlook isn't open right now, but it's pinned to the taskbar, so I can easily open it just by clicking on it. Now, the next feature I really like is the jump list. So you right click and you see recent documents here. So I can click on this and it'll open one of these documents that I had open before. And this allows you to get all the recent documents without having to open the program and go through. Now, another feature that's really great is the show desktop button. So say I have a bunch of stuff open here all over the screen. You just go to this right corner down here, and if you hover over it, you can see what your desktop looks like, and you can just click on the show desktop button. It'll minimize everything else and go back to the desktop. Now, another feature you can use is the resize and snap tool. So you resize it here, and then you can snap it to the right, and then say you're using a Word document, you can resize it and snap it to the left here. And this is nice if you want to take notes and compare things side by side. You can also take it and you can throw it to the top, and it'll maximize up top there. So that's the resize and snap. And another thing is the thumbnail previews. Now this is really nice if you have a bunch of different like Word documents or things in a program open, so you can go and hover over the different documents and get previews of each of them, and then just click on it to make it the active document there. So this saves a lot of time, whereas before you just had a bunch of titles. Now you actually get the preview of the things. Along with the look and feel of Windows 7 comes the new personalization features. So I really like the new themes. I currently have this Japan theme in use, and every 15 minutes it changes the background to a new picture. And as you can see there, that was a transition. And then it also changes the taskbar color to a different color depending on your theme. And if you want to get more themes, you can just go to Get Themes Online, and it'll open it up here in the personalization gallery. And finally, the seventh trick in Windows 7 is the language packs. They're pretty easy to install if you just go to Control Panel and you go to Region and Language Options. Click on that. Then you go to Keyboards and Languages and you choose a display language. Now I have English and Japanese. To install new ones, you have to use Windows Update, so you just say Install, Uninstall Languages, and then you choose to install it, and you can launch Windows Update, and then you can select which language you want to install through that. Let me just show you the transition here. So if I change the language to Japanese, apply, now I have to log off to use it, so I'm going to go ahead and log off now. Alright, so I logged off the computer and logged back on, and you'll notice that my computer is now in Japanese. So I got all the menus here in Japanese, some of the folders like accessories, games, control panels in Japanese. These language packs are specific to Windows 7 Ultimate Edition, so another good reason to update to the Ultimate Edition. So in conclusion, these were just 7 new tips and tricks of Windows 7. So check out some of the other MSP's videos and keep exploring the new features of Windows 7. So thank you for watching.